Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Silver City, New Mexico. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Motel 6 Silver City features guest rooms with free Wi-Fi and expanded cable TV. The motel is less than a 10-minute drive from Western New Mexico University and has laundry facilities. Rooms provide refrigerators and telephones. Silver City Motel 6 provides guests with vending machines, free local calls and a 24-hour front desk. Motel 6 is 1 mile from Silver City Museum and 3 miles from Silver City Golf Course. It is within 9 miles of Gila National Forest and Pinos Altos Melodrama Theatre. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.